Hey, you know, we had to take a picture just for that, and we're ready to go because look where we're at. Everybody's favorite brand, Carhartt. So, little background, everybody thinks Carhartt's based out of Detroit, but in reality, right here in Henry Ford's backyard in his town of Dearborn. That's where Carhartt is based out of, not Detroit. So, I think this just might be one of their other like campuses or other headquarters or something. But let's just explore it. Yo, look at that. They have a garden. That's where you know it's bougie. It's Carhartt. They have EV chargers. And look, not being in use. Would you look at that? But we're not here to critique. Look, they got a garden. I wonder if they got tomatoes. Oh, there is tomatoes. I just saw them. I called it. Hey, I knew there was going to be some tomatoes and I said it. Let's explore. Look at this place. Look at it. Oh, yo. Oh, man. This may have been a better picture. Yo. Oh, 100%. 100%. Let's get it. Oh, they got motorcycle parking. Yo, I scraped. I got scared of a scrape. We're doing that one again. We ain't scared of a scrape. Oh, I didn't scrape again. I scraped. Okay, let's get a quick pick right here. This is the one. Right here. I'm not trying to distract from the people. Let's make it real. Yo, we got the swag. Let's get the swag. Oh, actually, I kind of like that. Just kind of like halvesies. Oh, let's get it. So, this might be just one of like their sub campuses or something, but honestly, I don't know. So, I've never seen people here. This is the first time I saw some people. It was right over there. But look at that. Look how cool that is. It looks like a bar, like a in your traditional hipster town in downtown Detroit or wherever. Look at that. That is so hipster. Like you would totally think they'd be like having a brew over there, craft beers. So I thought that was kind of funny when I saw that. But in general, it's nothing. So you'd think for some like big brand there'd be more out here, but you can see there ain't much. Oh man, I'm getting inspired by all the pictures right now. Maybe in front of the Carhartt truck. Maybe. But I mean, it's just a traditional industrial park. And I was saying in one of my last videos, I love exploring a good industrial park. You know what I mean? It's just fun. Most of the time it's empty, and it's after hours on a Friday, so there still might be a few lingerers, but hey, it's not gonna stop us. Look at this place. This is cool. But I don't even know where. I just know there's like downtown Detroit. All I think there is like the store. I don't know where the actual headquarters is. But we're gonna keep this picture simple. I'm not trying to waste time taking pics. I got enough. We get into the video. You guys remember when you were kids and you used to get on the bike like this? 9 miles an hour. That's not bad. You know, and that was in neutral, so that's kind of fun. So I can do it in first gear, but it's more fun in neutral. Alright. Little speed bumps. Alright. 25. Sheesh! That was a good one. Oh, this is Wolverine Advanced Materials, no more Carhartt. But those buildings, those were Carhartts. Made with America's finest materials. I wonder what they're assembling over here. I don't see any trucks. How are you gonna assemble a truck? Oh, donut. Donut media. Oh, we got a whoop section. 1, 2. Oh, Yo, look at all those pallets. I like that big one. That was a nice looking pallet. I don't know what else they're doing. Oh, I know, I mean, pallet fire. But I don't know what they're doing with all the pallets. I know what I would do with a bunch of pallets. But, you know, looking back at it, Carhartt's a lot more underwhelming than I expected. But it's okay. What's over here? I forgot what was over here. Oh, I think I remember. Like, look, empty. Empty. Nobody's out here. Yo, can we send it on this? That was kind of weak. Go out of here. Yeah, there's nobody out here. Oh, those are Ford logos. Maybe this is Ford or something. Yo, it's a loopy. Nowhere to get going. Potential MotoGP course. I don't have any lines for it yet, but you can definitely get more speed out here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no, I do not like these little sticky. Oh, first gear. So when you don't want to hit neutral, you go into, and then when you want to hit neutral, you can never find on this stupid bike. That's a ground for you. I love it. There's literally no one out here. So you can kind of just practice. And practice what you might say? Hooning. See, there you go. Ford. Called it. Alright, let's see. Any money? Oh, okay. That was a little something. I held it a little bit. I was ready. No, I had a way better one. That last one was money. That was so good. I leaned a little bit back in my seat. I never did it that way. Man, that was the best one I've ever done. Woo! And we got on cam. Yes. That was very underwhelming. See, Carhartt back. So they got like these three buildings over here. And then Ford has that one. And then, what was it, Wolverine Advanced Materials back there. Nothing special. But it's kind of empty, so you can kind of do MotoGP stuff. And then main entrance over here. But you can also kind of just ride around and try and practice, because there's nobody out here. MotoGP and other stunts, you know. Whoa, this is cool. Yeah. Best thing about a grind is just riding around. Man, I love my grind. You can't have a frown when you're grinding. No, okay. So I planned another part of my video, which was going to be in this parking lot. But as you can see, it's empty. And, iTech Center, Information Technology, Ford Motor Company. Last time I came, this whole parking lot, literally, I mean this whole thing, all the way down there and in here, I'm gonna go to the other side, was all F-150s. And so all the F-150s that everybody's waiting for, or the ones that are part of the semiconductor shortage, just waiting on chips, there's a bunch just sitting in here. Obviously they have a bunch more scattered throughout the city and like a bunch of other parking lots of these kind of industrial parks. But they were all gone, so I'm kind of bummed that I didn't film it the first time. And that's also when I went to that like EV testing company where they had all like the Mach-E's and like the crashed up ID4s in the back that I was talking about in my last video. So I didn't have the camera with me. I just kind of went for a ride. So now I'm bummed I didn't have it. And then last time I wanted to film, my battery wasn't charged, so I brought it. So I was like, God dang it. So it is what it is. So hold on. Yeah, so all in here, all of these were all filled. Yeah, you can't even get in here. Those are all filled with F-150s waiting. So That's kind of like a bummer to me. That couldn't show everybody just a bunch of empty trucks, brand new trucks. But we was gonna go to the last place. I was gonna show everybody. Oh, okay, come on. People, bro. What are you gonna do? So this is just empty too. But this one's just kind of nice because it's like nobody's here. You can do, like I said, more MotoGP. Like people are hooning. But I kind of just like this one. This one's AAA, another AAA building. They have a bigger building over on another street. I'll show that in. Maybe I'll go there in a video. Another part of town. They have a bigger complex. I never really explored over there, but I like the stair set. That's why I like it. Look, it's empty. Nobody's in there. Skate that all day. All right, let's try this more. A little bit. I'm on the throttle. I'm telling you. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. Hey, ONEUPFLETCH right here, baby. ONEUPFLETCH for you, buddy. Chasing them. But hey, I'm starting to get a little more comfortable. They're getting up a little higher. I might get a cage from Crash Industries, and they're from Michigan, so I'm gonna get one of those one day. I just got a new helmet. I wasn't supposed to say that, but I got a new helmet, so I'm gonna leak that once it comes in. So it'll be fun. Oh, I didn't grab it. I missed it. Run 2. Well, I was gonna like leak it in a video and say like, yo, I got a new helmet, versus like say it today. But myself and my fiance, we got new helmets. I got a cool ass one for her ruckus. There we go. Yo, these ones are like hard. Like, you know how some of them kind of got like a little bit of flex to them? These ones are kind of hard. Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, man. Oh, well. Well, you know how some of them can kind of squish? These ones don't really squish. Last try. If we can get it. Alright, okay. We're going to loop around. One last try. Okay. See, there it is. Whoa, what's that say up there? I don't know. Can we do it? Oh no! One more, last try. Last try. Oh, I can't pick those up. I'll pick one up. Okay. Last try. Okay. Yeah, people be doing a little bit of fun stuff. I don't know what those lines mean. I can't read hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics. Okay, here we go. Concentrate. Yeah! Woo, 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 woo! Dog pound! Okay, here we go. Jump it. No, we didn't. Okay. But I think I want to end the video here. I'm kind of satisfied. What does that say? Leaf and bud. Big sale. I don't know what that means. Leaf and buds? I'm just reading what that sign says up there. But I'm gonna end this video here. And like I said, this, oh, I just had a rock. Like I said, yeah, this is some old AAA building. Look, absolutely nobody. And those who don't know, AAA is an insurance company here in Michigan. Oh, did you hear that? Loud. It's an insurance company out here in Michigan. Ironically, I have AAA. You guys rock. But it is what it is. They do some good stuff. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys had a good time. I had a fun time riding. I didn't get to show you guys the F-150s, which I'm kind of sad about, but maybe next time we might come through here again. I hope you guys liked Carhartt's real headquarters, not in Detroit here, and Henry Ford's hometown in the backyard of Detroit. I hope you guys had a good video. I had fun. Say bye to the plane.